tradition here in the Philippines for kids to play with. So what they do is they'll try to jump and try to reach those. That's Cebu roast pig, guys. It's so good.
Want you skin tight, close like denim. Come on, love me right. When it's ending, I'll be fine. Got your body close to mine. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. Call me if it's only for tonight. Your hands on my body, 'cause my body's what you like. I'm down if you're down to get it now. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight. If it's only for tonight. Call me, baby, if it's only for tonight.
Hi guys, so we are eating right now and it's getting warm in here. A lot of food. So how do you know Ami? Is that okay if I
Yeah, we are kanang co-workers from the record bar.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Promo girls.
Yeah.
Long time ago, huh?
Yeah, 1990s.
1990s. Wow. Okay. What's your name?
Jade.
Jade? Hi Jade. So are you guys friend of Ami?
Yeah, we're batchmates of Ami in
Batchmate.
CIT.
Okay.
In high school.
High school.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of her?
She's very gorgeous, very generous, and beautiful. Very sexy. Never changed since we're in high school. Just her belt is like that until now.
Wow, never changed. Huh?
Maintained. Yeah, never
That's
changed.
good. These are my friends from Lancaster. My friends from Lancaster. Ano yung mga trabaho?
Taga-asa ka.
Pacific ka rin?
Good. Okay, nakasabot lang club 1 if you understand.
1996. Tagal na no. Hindi ko nakita nakaputa.
Club 1.
Saan ang trabaho mo ngayon?
Club 1.
Abroad.
Very good. Okay,
Nag-abroad?
Okay, taga-asa ka? Alwan. Asa inyo?
Ano trabaho ngayon dong?
Mo.
Trabaho? Wala? Sa bahay lang? Sa bahay lang? Hindi kayo nag-abroad? Ikaw nag-abroad ka? Wala? Judo, ano trabaho? Wala. Ikaw umalis?
Wala.
Walang abroad? Ah.
Aluwa. Iluwa ang laway ha. Ego.
Anuel, kamusta?
Okay na. Kasi di kayo pwede dress, darling.
Buti napabdaan kayo.
Great shot.
Shout out sa Best Philippines.
If it's only for tonight.